it might take some reminding of our viewers what happened with the 6, because it actually was good for a while and then created some problems in the cycles to follow. What's your call?
Sure. So our observation is that there have been 3 pretty strong iPhone cycles over the last 7 years. The iPhone 6 cycle, when Apple introduced the first larger screen phones, that was a very strong cycle. The iPhone 10 cycle in 2018, where Apple introduced no Face ID, Face ID, and removed the home screen button and had edge-to-edge displays. That was a strong cycle. And then the current cycle, the 5G cycle. All of these cycles have had notable similarities: double-digit iPhone revenue growth, strong improvement in selling prices for the iPhone, and strong growth in gross margins. All 3 cycles have exhibited these characteristics. Our observation is, if we look at the 2 previous cycles, similar cycles, the 6 and the 10, was that the following year, the iPhone and Apple really struggled. In both cases, iPhone was down double digits. Average selling prices were flat to down. Gross margins were pressured. And perhaps most importantly, Apple's stock fell by 30% or more in both cases. And so we certainly don't know what next year's cycle is going to be. But our observation is, when Apple has had strong cycles, it's typically because you have their most enthusiastic users upgrading, particularly in China and other areas of Asia. And that's exactly what we're seeing again this time.
I guess, Toni, the question would be, what's different this time? Whether it's the degree to which services make up a larger part of their business, whether or not the multiple was any different distance away from a market multiple. Are there any things that might ameliorate that if, in fact, this were to repeat?
Sure. So services is definitely a larger portion of Apple's revenues today, and that would mitigate fall-offs in iPhone. I think, on the other hand, though, the Mac and iPad businesses have been doing extremely well this year. They were both up over 70% last quarter. These are businesses that have struggled to grow over the last 5 or 6 years. So while we think services will continue to be strong next year, the challenge is not only about iPhone, it's also about the Mac and iPad businesses, which have had explosive years this year, in part because of COVID and work from home and learn from home. And so that's sort of the double challenge that Apple faces looking into fiscal 22.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.